So thinking about your use case, can you tell me a little bit more about that? How are you actually using Skedulo today?
Yeah, so we're partnered with some of our national retailers. So we're in hundreds of stores across the US. And so our supervisors have to schedule their teams in the different stores. And so we needed a tool so we would be able to see where people were at, if they were checked in. Like attendance is really important just to make sure we're maintaining our retail partnerships and those retail relationships.
And we were also able to take the scheduling data and sort of mash it up with other data from Salesforce to see like how many appointments and how many sales were being generated per setter or per store. And that has been really critical for us to build sort of a leaderboard of teams and top performing solar advisors that then the management team uses on a daily basis. Yeah,
I think something that was really critical is before we knew how many hours people were working, but we didn't know specifically where they were working. So with Skedulo, now we can tie in, dial into a specific solar advisor for a specific store and their hours worked and compare that performance with their team members who've also worked in that store. And really have a better understanding of the best fit for the right person at the right store at the right time.
So you've got data on data, you've got solar advisors, you have managers.
Yeah.
This is touching everything. So what do the different stakeholders across Sunrun really think? What's the impact been at the business?
Yeah, our management really loves it. It gives us a great pulse on the field, and also to know, where we are staffing or where we may need more support or more headcount. It's really been much more efficient for our communication. If we need to check in and see if someone's at a store, we can just go right into Salesforce and make sure that they're there and staffing. And, Tim mentioned it's really allowed us to scale. We had a drastic increase in our foothold. We had a drastic expansion, and Skedulo was able to scale right there with us.
And it's also let the retail store managers spend less time scheduling and more time in the field coaching and checking in on the stores.
Yeah.
So Tim, at the beginning, you told us how Sunrun has this big mission. How is Salesforce and Skedulo really helping you move towards that goal of powering our world by the sun?
Well, by enabling us to scale our retail footprint and schedule it efficiently, we can get more people in front of more homeowners and ultimately sell more solar and battery backup systems. So it's helping us create a planet run by the sun.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, it's been so great having you two here today. I really appreciate it. And hopefully I'll have a solar powered home soon.
Yeah, absolutely.
Power forward.
Yeah.